3 things every woman must do before she gets married to a man. This is essential information, okay? So number 1, your relationship's gonna get hard someday. It could be in a year, it could be in 10 years. It's gonna get difficult. And you wanna find out what kind of guy you're with. Is he willing to go to coaching, therapy, and do personal development work to get through the hard, difficult stuff with you? So you wanna vet that prior to getting married. Seriously, because after 20 something years of working with people in marriages, what I see a lot is some men and some women will not come to the table and go get help when the going gets tough because they have a lot of pride posturing over shame that they can do it. They can figure it out themselves. It's like, I can fix the sink. Let me just watch some YouTube videos. That's not going to cut it, okay, when it gets really hard. So find out. Just ask him, hey, if it gets hard, honey, one day, would you be willing to go get help? All right, that should be part of your plan. All right. Number 2, you want to feel valued, cared about, and like your inner life matters, right? That's the thing my wife wants the most from me. And I'm able to deliver most of the time, but sometimes I can't. I fall down. But you want a guy who 80% of the time treats you in a way that has you feel good, connected, cared about, considered. Your feelings matter, right? So not a lot of men can do that. Find out if your guy can do that. And you want to find out if you want to have an expectation that he's able to do that, or if you want to kind of label him, well, he's just a guy, I'll just go get that from my girlfriends. Decide. No, he's capable of it. He just has to want to learn how, and he can do it. So you have to decide, what's my bar here? Because it's going to feel really shitty in a few years when it gets hard and he can't do that and doesn't want to do that and has no interest in learning how to do that, right? Because you're going to feel alone, pissed off, bitter, resentful, and hurt. And he's not going to do anything about it. So you want to find out, right? Okay, number 3, look how he copes with stress. How does he deal with stress? When work gets really stressful for him, does he go immediately to sports and alcohol? When money gets really stressful, does he blame the government or other people? What are his behaviors when he gets stressed? You want a man who is strong under stress and actually is an adult and takes responsibility for, his stress. Like, hey, I'm stressed out, I'm irritable, and it's because I'm scared about money. It's because I'm scared about not being able to provide for you or us. I'm scared about where the economy's going. I'm scared about this virus. He can be open about his fears, but he's standing tall. And he's not blaming everyone else. He's not blaming you. And because things are going to get stressful between you two in your marriage. They're going to get stressful. They're going to get difficult. You want to know, how does he cope with stress? Is he a blamer? Is he an avoider? Is he a medicator? What does he do? All right? Because you want a man who, under stress, will rise to the occasion to work through the challenges. All right? Cool. I hope these 3 tips have been helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Oh, and there's one more bonus round. Make sure that he is not the type of guy who is going to Vegas for his bachelor party, that he even has a bachelor party. A lot of men go to Vegas because they're thinking, the joke is they're about to get married and feel trapped for the rest of their lives. If your guy's attitude is, I'm feeling trapped for the rest of my life, this is a major red flag. Okay, you want to probably slow down this whole wedding thing. Pump the brakes. I would do these 3 evaluatory measures before you fully commit. Okay, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and thanks for being here.